Traveling can be exciting, but checking in at the airport in English can be stressful if you're not prepared. In this video, I'll show you step by step how to check in confidently, handle your luggage, choose your seat, and find your gate, all using simple, natural English. Let's go. Hi, good morning. I'd like to check in for flight BA123 to London.
Good morning. May I see your passport and ticket, please?
Sure, here you go.
Thank you. How many bags are you checking in?
Just one suitcase. Is there a weight limit?
Yes, 23 kilograms for checked baggage. Yours is fine.
Great. And can I bring this carry-on bag?
Yes, that's allowed. Just place it in the overhead bin.
Perfect. Also, is it possible to change my seat to an aisle?
Let me check. Yes, seat 14A is available. I've changed it for you.
Thank you. And what time does boarding start?
Boarding starts at 10:30 a.m. at gate B12.
Got it. Any delays I should know about?
No, the flight is on time.
Wonderful. Could you tell me where the security check is?
Just straight ahead, turn right after the coffee shop.
And is there a lounge I could wait in?
Yes, the airline lounge is on the second floor near gate B15.
Perfect, thank you.
You're welcome. Have a great flight.
Thanks. Have a nice day. I'd like to check in for flight. May I see your passport and ticket? How many bags are you checking in? Is there a weight limit? Can I bring this carry-on bag? Is it possible to change my seat? What time does boarding start? Any delays I should know about? Where is the security check? Is there a lounge I could wait in? Now you know how to check in at the airport in English with confidence. Remember, using simple and polite phrases is enough to make your travels smooth and stress-free. Write a short airport conversation in the comments. For example, "Hi, I'd like to check in for flight BA123. I'll check it for you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with a friend who's learning English. See you in the next lesson.